Hi, Rana here from Technical Rescue Team for Lemon. Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into Google's new 2024 policy on cold emailing and how it impacts your marketing strategies. So Google has recently updated its policy to combat spam and prioritize inbox integrity. This change significantly affects how business can approach cold emailing. So the challenge now is to reach your prospects without triggering spam filter because it's 0.3% I think now, or being marked as promotional content. How can we do that? Let's find out. The key lies in the first email you send. It needs to be general, non-promotional, and somewhat unclear to bypass Google's AI for sentiment analysis. It can be look like, hey Dee, Rana here, I want to discuss potential collaboration about Parliament. So notice how this copy is direct, but it's simple and to the point, but doesn't sell anything. That's the sweet spot. The goal of your first email is to get a reply only. Once you have that, your subsequent emails are more likely to land in the inbox. A reply signals to Google system that your conversation is welcomed, reducing the chances of being marked as spam in the future. Now that you have a foot in the door, how do you proceed without being too promotional? Now, let's talk about subtle ways to introduce your services. Remember, the key is to maintain a balance between being informative and not too salesy. Personalization and value are your best tools. Adapting to Google's new policy might seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can still make cold emailing work for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Bye.